Hello everybody, this is Angel Biter. Welcome back to another Infinifactory video. I just finished up the meat product Type 57, which was literally packaging porgs. So, although I think this game is older than the Star Wars movie, so it's probably not porgs. But here, Relaxant Formula number 13. So, right. Let's go. I hope it's not more critters. Okay. What have we got going on in here? Okay, it looks like I'm filling those clear things with something. This probably is a... Okay. Ah. We got trees growing. Fascinating. What are we gonna do here? Oh, is that... Okay, okay. So it looks like maybe the leaves from the tree need to go into this thing, which fills the clear thing. And, okay, very strange. And then that looks like it goes on top of the filled thing there. And maybe the tree trunk? I'm not at all sure. Yeah, that looks like maybe the tree trunk. So, alright, well, I'm gonna play with this a little bit off camera, because I'm not entirely sure what needs to be going on here. But it looks like the leaves from the tree need to go into this machine in order to fill up the... Alright, I'm gonna play with it and I'll come back to you. Alright guys, I've done a little bit of playing here, not a lot. Judging by the tutorial over here, it looks like I need 3 leaf blocks to fill up one of these blocks. And it looks like I need a tree trunk, a filled up block, and then the cap piece. So I'm going to, if the trees, which I probably should have checked first, the trees are coming off at the same time as everything else. So I've got these 3 excavators here that are going to give me this one tree trunk and destroy all the rest. So I'm going to take that one tree trunk into there to be ready for welding, I guess. We're going to weld the tree trunk, go figure. But now I need to knock these leaves down to give me just 3 blocks that will get deposited onto this conveyor right here. And I haven't got around to this one yet. That one will have to be raised probably. But that's my progress so far. There's my one tree trunk, and now I just need to figure out how to get 3 leaf blocks. And I will come back to you once I get that part sorted out. Alright guys, I've made quite a bit of progress here. And I have finally got around to testing my theory that it's the leaf blocks that is needed in the whatever that thing is. So here's the deal. I already showed you getting out the one bit of tree trunk that we're going to need. It's right there. The leaf blocks... Wait a minute. Huh, I wonder how I managed to do that. There we go. There's my my tree trunk. Anyway, the leaf blocks, all of this leaves me with just 3 pieces. Boom, right there. 3 pieces. There's my tree trunk, took off that way. Here's my fill box, and I haven't got around to the lid yet. Whoops, down, dummy. There we go. So there's the box that needs to be filled. There is my leaves. So I think what I'll do is probably put like a sensor right here. So whenever this gets sensed, then this will get pushed off, because it's already full. And we're probably going to have to do some play with the timing on that tree trunk since the second one's there already. But I am going to... In fact, I can do some of this on camera real quick. Let's see here. We need a pusher right there. We need a sensor probably about right here. With some go juice right there. And we're going to need to come off. We're actually going to have to raise that one as well. That figures. Alright, let's just do that right here. We'll put a lifter. It needs to come up to this height. So we are going to have put a stop block right there. That's how high we want it to go. Actually, we'll use that as the use the sensor as that one. Save us a block. And we'll need the pusher there. We can do away with that and use that. So that should... Boom. Excellent. So we're going to put a second stop there, since that's kind of catching up to it. We're going to turn that right here. And we're going to need welders. Why we're welding tree trunks, I have no idea. And... okay. So now all we need to do is get the top piece in here. Drop it down on top, and then once the next tree trunk comes in and pushes it, then it'll get pushed off directly into there. So let's go. This was fun. This was a bit of a challenge. I wasn't expecting this. We're gonna need to raise that one. How high do we need it? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need it 4 off of this ground right here, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We need it at that level. So let's just go ahead and do this here. We're going to do the same thing we did in there. We want our top-down sensor here with a connection and a pusher. And I've got a feeling that we're going to need to have the delay, so I'm going to leave it like that for now. And let's take this inside. Whoops, are we, we're gonna need to make a turn here. There we go. You know what? Alright, well, let's see what happens. I doubt the timing's going to be right on this first try. Yeah, there's another... We're going to need one more delay block here. Alright, we're going to need one more delay block. There. I'm wondering if maybe I should use the blocker. There we go. Nope. Alright, I'm going to play with the timing and get back to you guys. Alright guys, I seem to have sorted out the timing issue. I noticed that when the top piece was right here, the filled up box was like right here. So the top, and I just changed it so the top piece would come over here and get welded onto the filled piece over here. That solved the timing issue. And I used, I had to lift it up and move it over, pushed it with the pusher there, another pusher set up here, another pusher set up here. So a little bit of repetitive setup here, but anyway, there's our tree trunk. There's our leaf blocks. There's our filled tank being filled. And there is our top piece right there, sitting on this delay block. So there goes our filled up piece. And here comes, there's the second getting pushed off of the delay block. So there, it just made it right there. Now wait just a second, boom. Come over here, boom, and we're done. How about that? So, kind of the same trick over and over. I think I used the lift and sense and push trick like 3 or 4 times in this puzzle. But hey, look at that. That's pretty good. I'm okay with that. Anyway, this has been Angel Biter. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.